Welcome to the project demonstration of dual axis solar tracker using Arduino Uno along with voltage and current displaying on our 16:2 LCD screen. So here we are using 4 LDR sensors to control this solar tracking system in dual axis. So these two are in east to west and these two are in north direction. So as we know that whenever the winter season, the sun will move in a inclination with respect of the north toward the south. So that will be identified with help of these two LDR sensors, and it will identify the sun position, and based on that these two LDRs will be given as input to our motor which was attached in the below. So below we have attached one more motor. So to that we are going to controlling the tracking system with respect of north and south, and this motor is used to control the tracking system with respect of east to west, and the whole system driven by the Arduino Uno board. So here we interface the Arduino Uno board with 4 LDR sensors as the input and the 3 limit switches, 1 and 2 is the other side and a 3, and these are the inputs to our Arduino Uno board. And as well also we place one voltage sensor, this is a potential divider. So we divide the voltage in 10:1 so that when the solar panel generates the 12 volts, it will go to the 1.2 volts. That will be calculated by our Uno board and display the same thing on LCD screen. And to control these DC motors, 2 DC motors, we are making use of L293D motor driver. So from there we will control the 2 DC motors in bidirectional based on this limit switches input and our LDR sensor inputs. So let us see the demonstration, the whole mechanism right. So once we provide the power supply, so there will be one welcome message on your LCD screen. This is LCD welcome message on the LCD screen, and as of now there is no sunlight on the solar panel, so it will show the 00, right. And tracking is going to be right. So we will place a lighting on the tracking. So it's east to west, and coming to the north side, so you can see that it's rotating in the north side also. And whenever this system touches this limit switch, this is indicated as a west side, and automatically it will comes back, as well as it will go to the initial position. So again tracking. Right. And whenever the west position reached, then automatically it will come back to both positions directly. Right. Okay. Yeah. So here the motor ratings which we are going to use are 3.5 RPM motor ratings, both are, and in the base motor is 2400, and the gearbox will reduce the 2400 to the 3.5 RPM. Right. And coming to the solar panel which we are going to use is 12 volts 10 watt solar panel directly, which is a class solar panel. Right. Thank you.